This toilet is still making noise. It's been over 2 or 3 hours. This is crazy. I cannot get any sleep tonight. And it's on a Good Friday too. Like, what? It's a holiday. I was looking forward to going to sleep.